fat-burning foods that will help you lose pounds. If you have been trying to lose weight and nothing seems to be working, it may be time to change your eating habits. Since most people tend to overconsume carbs, it is important to replace them with foods that are high in protein and dietary fiber. This will help speed up your metabolism and help you lose pounds faster. Here are some of the best fat-burning foods that can help you reach your weight loss goals. Hi, welcome to Thriving Health with JK. Our goal is to give you tips and tricks that will help you get healthy and achieve your fitness goals. We will upload video 2 to 3 times per week. So join us on this healthy journey toward better health by following our channel, subscribing, and leaving comments with any questions. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Berries. Berries are a great source of fiber, which can help you lose weight. They're also low calorie and rich in antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and fight cancer. Berries are also full of vitamin C, E, and K, potassium, magnesium, manganese, iron, zinc, and many more. All things that help keep your body healthy. To get the most out of this superfood, be sure to eat them raw whenever possible. Cooking them destroys some other nutrients. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is high in fiber, vitamin C and K. It's also rich in B vitamins that will help you burn fat by keeping your metabolism running smoothly. Broccoli also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which will boost your metabolism and reduce inflammation. When it comes to weight loss, broccoli has plenty to offer. It's loaded with antioxidants, including carotenoids, that protect against chronic diseases like cancer, phytonutrients that can lower blood pressure, anti-inflammatory properties that ease joint pain, and even sulfur compounds that help break down fat from food so you absorb fewer calories from meals. Number 3. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol levels. It's also been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease. You can also use flaxseed by itself or add it to other foods like yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie. Number 4. Walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition to being high in protein, walnuts also contain a significant amount of antioxidants called polyphenols that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Almonds have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels as well as reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also high in vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, which can help you fight free radicals. They contain monounsaturated fats that help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while raising HDL cholesterol, which is the good kind. Plus, almonds are low in sodium, which is a bonus if you're trying to avoid salt. 6. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help to reduce inflammation. Omega-3s also aid in brain function and heart health. Salmon is high in protein and low in calories, making it an ideal choice for weight loss. Studies show that eating fish at least twice a week can reduce your risk of developing heart disease by 50%. Salmon helps you to build muscle tissue, which in turn helps you burn more calories throughout the day as well as store less fat on your body. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is a good source of monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Olive oil is also rich in antioxidants, which may help prevent heart disease and cancer. Olive oil can be used in place of butter or vegetable oils when cooking at high temperatures, such as frying. Use it sparingly through, a little goes along the way. I hope that you have found this video to be helpful and informative. If you do decide to try out some of these fat-burning foods, let me know how they will work for you. I would love to hear from anyone who has tried any of these tips or tricks on their own journey toward better health and wellness. Which of these tips do you find helpful? Comment them down below. We love to hear your opinions in the comment section. We also hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We know that it can be difficult to add new things to your diet, but we also believe that the benefits are worth it. So don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell to be updated in all of our latest videos. See you!